Hi, I am Karil. Yes, that is right, I love hanging out with myself as this is another solo trip. Maybe you are asking questions like those people that I met while solo traveling. Why go solo? And as a woman, you don't have a boyfriend to go with you? Friends? Family? Well, it doesn't matter if I go solo or in groups, but what matters to me is that I try new things, learn from different cultures, and you will discover some parts of you more and more as you do this. I was always been very independent. I have my mom who is supportive of the things that I love, do the things on my own. My family that always cheers for me, and my boyfriend behind every airport transportation. His words of encouragement and super supportive. And thank you so much, Lord, for giving me the courage. You are always with me.
Hi friends, we're finally here in Taiwan! Yeah, but I just took this trip spontaneously, Hi friends, it's already 4:34, June 11, and we're done with immigration. Kalimutan ko mag-withdraw kasi we need to withdraw for the magpalit ng pera. Anong gagastusin ko doon, diba? So, we need to go to money exchange and withdraw first. Pero mas iniisip ko, kumain kasi mas nagugutom ako. So, I think we will eat first.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Taipei.
Hi friends, we're finally here in Taiwan! Yan, naka-check-in na ako. Hindi na ako nag-update kasi hinanap ko tong hotel. Eh, nasa loob pala siya. Eh, hindi ko masyado naintindihan yung driver. Yung driver ko din yon, binuko din siya sa Klook. Pumunta ako sa kiosk ng Klook. Doon ko in-avail yung SIM card ko. So, okay na all set. Mag-room tour muna tayo. Kasi after nito, magpapahinga na ako para sa tour ko bukas. So, I'm so happy. I made it, guys. Nandito na ako mag-isa. Okay. That's me. See you tomorrow sa tour ko and hope you guys have a good night. Hi, good morning. Can I change my money into smaller amount? Like this. A smaller amount so that I can get breakfast outside. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Hi friends, good morning. We're walking and I have like Google Maps here. So nahanap ko na siya, guys. Here siya.
I'm all about words, but it sounds like you're envisioning an instrumental piece that truly captures a calm, beachy ambience. Since this one's not about lyrics, I'd suggest imagining soft finger picking on a sun-soaked heart.
It's raining, guys, pero I just want to
Melodic
appreciate
bends
this
reminiscent,
ganda niya.
waves rolling ashore.
Hi friends, nakabalik na ako sa hotel. So, I need to pack for my tour today. Nag-message na sa akin sa WhatsApp ko yung tour guide ko and driver. I need to change for my outfit kasi parang hindi ko to bet. From breakfast outfit lang to. Ilan bang... Ito ang funny guys, ilan bang outfit na dala ko pero wala akong outfit pantulog. So, may isang damit dito na kapag natutulog ako, para rin akong naka-outfit. We're going to day 1 tour and here's my outfit. I'm wearing all black with the accent of blue. Yeah, malamig, maulan. So,
Hi! Are you Jamie? Yeah.
hi friends. Ako yung unang pinick up nila so I get to choose where to sit. Pero na-request ko talaga dun sa app is I want a window seat. Nandito kami ngayon sa station. Ano tawag ba dito? Hindi ko alam yung lugar. Pero may pipick up pa kaming kasama ko sa tour. So, binuko yung joint tour kasi sobrang mahal kapag mag-isa ka lang. Ano ka ba? Mag-isa na nga ako nag-travel. So, mag-isa pa rin ako sa tour. Ano to? But yeah, anyways, maulan dito ngayon sa Taiwan. Hi friends! Habang wala pa sila kasi sinusundo ng tour guide namin yung iba pa, I just want to say that I'm so proud of myself. Because even though I didn't share anything on my social media accounts or even here on YouTube, people went through something. And I just want to say I'm proud of myself for being alive again, for having a purpose again, for so thankful that God helped me again. And I wasn't so active, I wasn't feeling myself. And dun ko talaga nasabi na prayer works. Nagpray lang ako wholeheartedly as in yung parang sobrang pagod na ako sa life ko. Sabi ko, Lord, bigyan mo naman po ako ng rason para maging alive again kasi parang lately, alam mo yun yung neutral na lang yung nararamdaman ko yung okay, I'm doing something but I'm not alive. I'm not myself. And yun, sobrang bilis ng assurance ni Lord sa akin. So yeah, see you guys in Bay 2 and Yangmingshan. So that's our tour for today. And
So my tour guide suggested that I will instead buy a raincoat here because I will need it sometime.
Is Qingtiangang. So we take the first word of this area.
No, I'm good.
You can go to the visitor center and wait for me there.
Okay.
Wait for me there.
So you're going to get the car from me?
Hey.
Okay.
to me about March or February or April.
Yeah, but I just booked this trip spontaneously, like a week before going here. That's why I didn't think to go here in spring.
It's okay. Next time, next year.
Yeah, next year.
Because you got a lot of large forest park and also you get backyard.
I'm so thankful, Lord. Thank you so much for I have the courage to do this alone. Merong falls dito. Kasi puntahan ko siya. Look. We are now here in Shenzhen Market.
Alright friends, I'm just waiting for my order right now. Nandito ko sa basement.
We're done eating. Punta na tayo ngayon sa MRT because umagabi na, wala pa akong card. I need to load the card. Pero bibili na lang ako sa 7-Eleven ng card. Hi, is this the card for the MRT? One please. Drop the card. meron doon, ang haba ng pila. Hi everyone, we're back at the hotel. Ngayon ay 7:25. Hindi naman ako nahirapan sa transportation kasi favorite ko talaga yung train. MRT sa Singapore. Train transpo, gusto ko talaga yon. Need ko muna mag-change kasi parang sobrang pawis ko na, sobrang hindi ko na to gustong vibe na to. So after I change and pahinga muna ng konti, we're going to have a dinner. Kasi ko yung kanina, merienda lang yun. Super light no, na kinain ko kanina. Ngayon, dinner natin is dyan lang sa Simending Market. May mabubusog na ako dyan, alam ko. Ang daming pagpipilian. Hindi na ako magre-restaurant kasi baka bukas na lang. By the way, hindi pala ako nakabigay ng comments sa tour ko maghapon. Sobrang thankful ako sa tour guide namin. He's super hardworking. He's good at his job and yun, na-appreciate ko siya na kinakausap niya kami in English and at the same time in Chinese kasi may iba kaming kasama na hindi nakakaintindi ng English. Aside from that, sobrang underrated ng Beito in Yangmingshan. Mostly kasi pinupuntahan is Jufin. Tama ba? Pero wala akong tour doon. Hindi ko alam at di ako nag-book ng tour doon. Pero yun, gusto ko kasi talaga nature, super nature lover ako. Sobrang ganda ng tour. Lalo na sobrang ganda niya kapag hindi din maulan. Pero okay siya yung vibe. Parang wet, twilight vibe siya. So, okay siya sa akin. Ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Kasi hindi naman siya ganun kalakas na ulan. Pero yung hangin talaga dito sa Taiwan yung iba. Kasi, ganun talaga yung hangin. So, wow, sound effect. Now, inalis ko na yung makeup ko kasi maliligo ako kasi naulanan tayo. Hindi naman ako pagod. Inom ako ng beroka muna to prevent. Kinakailangan ko lang talaga ng beroka kapag yun, sobrang na-overwhelm ako. Ano yun? Kinakailangan ko lang talaga nito kapag super, na ako, nang need ko na ng energy. Bawas na siya kasi binigyan ko si Third nung hinatid niya ako sa airport. Kasi he wants to try Beroka too. Hindi ko talaga siya ginagamit. First time na ginamit ko siya sa hiking ko sa Mother Mountain ko sa Mount Taipei. Kasi para hindi tayo magkasakit. Ayoko na nagkakasakit ako. Sasabihin ng nanay ko, yan, kakagala mo yan. Kapag nagkasakit ako, di ba? We need to eat first and then hindi na ako nag-ayos sa skincare and lip tint na lang kasi matutulog na ako pag uwi. Makatutbrush ko. Welcome to my neighborhood.